Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Credit Karma for credit scores and investing planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Credit Karma, start by unlocking your device. Open the App Store on your smartphone. If you have an Android device, this is the Google Play Store. iPhone users will go to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Credit Karma. Press the search button to see the results. Locate the official Credit Karma app in the search results. Ensure it has a high rating and relevant reviews. Tap on the app icon to open the apps page. Next, click on the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Credit Karma app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Provide your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing personal information. After verification, log into your new account. You will be taken to your main dashboard. Here, you can review your credit score and report. To explore investment options, navigate to the investing section. If you already have investment accounts, link them to Credit Karma. You can also explore personalized recommendations for future investments. Make sure to regularly check your credit score updates. Use the app to track your financial health over time. Remember, Credit Karma offers free tools to help you improve your score. Utilize these resources to make informed financial decisions. Enjoy the benefits of having your credit information at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.